Hey, foodies! Okay, I know I'm a little bit late, but hey, who says the holiday vibes have to end? Anyway, we're throwing back to some of the sweetest moments of the season. Literally, we're talking about three Filipino favorites, Biko, Maja Blanca, and Cassava Cake. These are the ultimate comfort treats, sticky, creamy, and just the right amount of sweetness. Making this from scratch? Oh yes, it's a labor of love, but totally worth it. Biko is that chewy, caramelized goodness and coconut curdle on top. You can check out the link above or in the description below. Maja Blanca with corn and cheese, a coconut, and corn lover string. See the link below as well for more detailed video. Plus, the cassava cake. And this is the purpose of this vlog. We're making one of the best Filipino desserts of all time. First things first, you must have grated cassava. Don't worry, if no fresh is available, frozen cassava is definitely okay. Big shout out to my bro and sis-in-law for introducing this frozen cassava. This part is easy. Just dump everything into a bowl and mix it like your life depends on it. So we already have the frozen cassava. We'll have coconut milk, condensed milk, evaporated milk, 2 eggs, butter, sugar, and macapuno. But this is optional as we love sweetness. But believe me, this makes the dessert perfect. Just mix everything, and this is nothing compared to the first two desserts I made, Biko and Maja. Like an arm wrestler, remember? Now, we pop this into the oven and wait. But trust me, it's worth every minute. Now here are the ingredients for milk glaze and grated cheese. And while we wait, let's just enjoy that sweet coconutty aroma filling up the kitchen. Smells like home. Bake uncovered for 20 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now, here's the fun part, topping it with more condensed milk and cheese. Filipinos will put cheese on anything. Sweet or salty, doesn't matter. This dessert deserves a spot in your Filipino food bucket list. These are the kind of holiday treats that deserve to be enjoyed all year round. It is soft, chewy, creamy, and most importantly, sweet enough to let you satisfy your cravings. Look at that beauty. Alright, everyone, or foodies out there, what's your favorite Filipino dessert? Cassava cake, Maja Blanca, or Biko? Let me know in the comments below. If you are Team Biko, Maja Blanca with corn and overloaded cheese, or Cassava cake? Or do you just take all three? So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep the sweet vibes going. See you in the next vlog. Ayo ayo!